Many of us juggle between multiple devices, and managing WhatsApp on each one separately can be cumbersome. Fortunately, there is a way that allows you to seamlessly use the same WhatsApp account across two phones. In this video, I will walk you through these steps to achieve this effortlessly. So without any further ado, let's start the video with the first step. Now, as a first step, you need to install WhatsApp on your secondary phone. Once installed, click on Open. Now on the first screen, choose your language and tap the arrow to proceed. Once done, tap on Agree and Continue to move to the login screen. You will now prompted to enter your phone number. However, we will ignore that and tap on this three-dot menu which is available on top right hand corner. And from the open option, select Link to Existing Account option. You will now see a QR code similar to WhatsApp Web on your secondary device. This is the QR code which we have to scan using our primary device. And for that, move back to your primary phone. Here we are using an iPhone for this tutorial, but this step mostly remains the same for Android as well. Let's see how you can access the linked devices section in WhatsApp. If you are using iPhone, directly go to the setting and here you have the option linked devices. Now if you are using an Android phone, then go to the three-dot option available on the top right hand corner and select setting. Now click on the QR code icon which is available after your name. Now here you have two options, My Code and Scan Code. Since we have to scan a code to link our primary phone with the secondary one, here we will go to the second option which is Scan Code. Now you can see it allows you to scan a QR code. Now as a final step, go to the link device option and tap on Link a Device. The QR code scanner will now open on your main device. Tap on OK and then scan the QR code display on your secondary device to successfully log into WhatsApp. Once done, you will see WhatsApp on both your primary and secondary devices. You can now use them without any issue whatsoever and they will work like independent devices. That means if you lose internet access on your primary device, you will be able to use your WhatsApp on your secondary devices without any hiccups. By following these simple steps, you can use the same WhatsApp account in two different phones without any hassles. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.